hot. Dang. Maybe it tastes good with ranch. Maybe. You think?
Maybe. And you are allowed to pick out a dipping sauce, I guess, to go with the chicken fries with this meal.
You don't have to.
And I'm just trying to imagine how anybody could take buffalo sauce on top of the hotness of the chicken fries and the Whopper. I could not do it. But the chicken fries has that, I don't know if to y'all Burger King chicken has a aftertaste to y'all, but it does have an aftertaste to me. And these chicken fries have that aftertaste.
Ooh,
And that smell that I just don't like.